So I installed this ice maker last night, started it up, it made 2 batches of ice. I was like, okay, we're good. So I left. Brand new ice maker. This morning they called me and told me it's not making any ice, there's no ice in it. So I'm like, what the hell? So right off the bat, when I first installed it, I noticed this pump wasn't working. It wasn't pumping out the water. And that red wire right back here was unplugged. So right from the factory, or shipment, who knows. One problem. That was when I installed it. I noticed that. Well, then I get here and I take the side panel off. Everything's hot. Inside the box is hot. I'm like, what's going on? So, homeowner said, you must have hooked it up to hot water. I was like, I don't think so, but I'll make sure. And I don't know what that would have anything to do with. Anyways, it's not like it's constantly feeding it water when it's making ice. So when I checked it, it wasn't hooked up to hot water. So that means the plumbers that did this building didn't cross the water anyway. So I opened this panel up and I noticed the compressor isn't running. But it's hot, hotter than hell on that compressor, so I unplugged it, let it cool down. Plugged it back in, still no compressor running. I can't figure out what's going on. I'm thinking, okay, we got a burned up compressor, brand new ice machine. So I'm calling around, I can't get nobody to come out to service it for over a week and a half. And this little plastic guy right here, I don't know how to get that off, but here's the funny part. I took the screwdriver and I smacked the piss out of that, and the compressor came on. So apparently something's loose in there, or something froze up like a solenoid. It's the only thing I can think of. Yeah, the compressor's still going. I think it's about to drop some cubes now, finally. So yeah, if you guys know anything how to get this plastic thing off, I can't find any screws, I can't find any clips, but I wanted to take a look inside and see if I can find something loose. Yeah, brand new Scotsman, and I already had 2 issues with this. So leave a comment if you know how to get that plastic cover off. I don't want to break it. Trying to pry it off. So just let me know, guys. Thanks for watching.